Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alek, and in this step-by-step video I will show you how to connect your domain to web hosting. In this example I will connect my domain name, which I registered at Namecheap, to my web hosting account at Hostinger. In other words, I will point my domain name servers or DNS to my domain name. If you are new to domain names and web hosting, this is all you need to know about this technical jargon. Right now, I'm on my Hostinger dashboard, and to start making this connection, click on Websites. Then click on Manage for the domain name you want to connect with Namecheap. You will see the Business Web Hosting section below your website name, and now click on See Details. When this page opens, focus on the section titled Name Servers, where you will see these two links. Select the first one, right-click it, and copy it. Now go to your Namecheap account dashboard. Click the Manage button for the domain name you want to connect. I already connected this domain name, candidjudgments.com, to Hostinger, and I see this in the Name Servers section. You will see Namecheap Basic DNS. To connect your domain to Hostinger, click the drop-down menu and select Custom DNS. Both fields will be empty, and this is where you need to enter these two links from Hostinger. Now paste the first name server link from Hostinger on the first line that says Name Servers 1. Go back to Hostinger, select the second link, right-click it and copy it. And again go back to Namecheap to paste it on the second line where it says Name Servers 2. Now click this little green check mark to save these changes. And that's it. That's how you connect your domain name at Namecheap to your Hostinger web hosting. The propagation period, or in other words, the time needed for a connection between your domain registrar and web hosting on the internet, can take up to 24 hours. But in most cases it will be much sooner. To be sure when it is over, go to dnschecker.org, enter your domain name, select NS for name servers from the drop-down menu and click on Search. If you get all checkmarks green, the propagation period is over and you can start building your website. Now that your domain name is connected to your web hosting, I invite you to watch my next video on installing WordPress inside Hostinger or creating an email address with your domain name. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to connect a domain to web hosting until the end. If you found this video helpful, please click the like and subscribe buttons and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave your comment below this video. Remember that there are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.